Governor Najma Heptulla says doctors should change their attitude and willingly serve in rural and hill areas. Gaikhangam condemns UNC's indefinite economic blockade as an inhuman act. An MPP to field candidates in several constituencies in the upcoming assembly polls. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla yesterday observed that doctors are not willing to serve in rural and hill areas to provide health services to a large section of the people. She said they need to change their attitude and willingly go to rural areas. Speaking at the commemoration of the first anniversary of first opened heart surgery in Manipur at Sky Hospital and Research Center held at Classic Grande, Governor Najma Heptulla mentioned that heart disease is on the rise in India. She, however, felt that the cases of heart disease is not high in Manipur due to people's simple dietary habits. The governor said the people in other states are now trying to imitate the simple food habits of the people of Manipur. Dr. Heptulla also emphasized the need to register the newly born babies with the authority concerned as a step towards ensuring development in health sector. Referring to the introduction of helicopter services in interior areas, the governor said this will help the people in rural areas in health sector. In his speech, Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar said a trial of Imphal Mandalay bus service had been held and the government is waiting for the approval of the Myanmar government. He was hopeful that the Myanmar government will soon give their approval. He maintained that with the introduction of the bus service, people from Myanmar will come to the state for health services.
Our target is to provide health care to all. I think it's a feasible target. We have done a great deal of work towards this, but a lot more thinking has to go into how can we achieve this in the next 10 years. Even though our doctors are amongst the almost the best anywhere, and so also our nurses, we are still not able to provide health services to a large section of the people. We do have acute shortage of doctors or nurses, but what is saddened is many of them are not willing to go to rural and hill areas. We have to change this attitude.
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam today condemned the indefinite economic blockade called by the United Naga Council as an inhuman act. He categorically stated that the government cannot be prevented from going to Ukhrul by UNC or any organizations. Gaikhangam was responding to media query after participating in the National Integration Week at the banquet hall of the 1st Manipur Rifles, commemorating the birth anniversary of the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. The Deputy Chief said people have suffering due to demonetization of Rs 500 and Rs 1000 notes and the indefinite economic blockade. He urged the UNC not to create more problems for the people. Gaikhangam asserted that the people understand who are behind the indefinite economic blockade. He maintained that the centre must not remain as a silent spectator. He said the state government is making all possible efforts to help the people. Gaikhangam insisted that the state government will decide whether to participate in talks with the UNC after a minute discussion.
NGO makai kaur makai talk gadra have from the hajriba what is haba have say masisi sisu kanagani ko and if you makai informally harakte kai to uni karyamuki runi ko adubudi ko lahan don hari hai singdokre da lahan adi akoi mokoi lae koi helicopter sanghal landing to halo landing to akoi banam to khanare mafam sat pa sakit to innocent public ke se khara so open le gadra na madugi da man khalaga to mokoi ki raga sat ta dinati hoji su thim mokoi na thinge na saloi da suliti maram jari sat kani. This is Manipur ko Manipur ki government na amante Manipur ki the leriba kadagi mi singna magi territory da magi state manung da magi ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯖꯒꯥꯗ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯂꯩꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏ.
As observed in the past, Manipur government today observed Kwame Ekta Week at the banquet hall of the 1st Manipur Rifles. Speaking at the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam stated that the event commemorating the birth anniversary of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi is true to the current context of Manipur. He said people should think in the direction of we instead of I in order to see rapid pace of development as Indira Gandhi always wanted.
Punshi loma out lebak lebak unity integrity kathoki dum saknai lai dona nganam ba ai pe unit phadona bharat nganam balenisra nganam bi dum ai leader mani hai ma sirani khanu mata dum ai sirani an ta
Nation is remembering former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi on her 99th birth anniversary today. A commemorative program to mark her anniversary is being organized at Congress headquarters in New Delhi. In a tweet, Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to the former Prime Minister of India. The Congress Party is organizing a year-long program across India in connection with the 99th birth anniversary of the late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Zilla and block-level volunteers of Congress Party will observe the event across Manipur starting today under the guidance of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee. MPCC President T.N. Haokip, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, Ministers and MLAs party workers paid floral tributes to Indira Gandhi at the MPCC office today as a part of the event. One-day media workshop on Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan RUSA and the state of higher education in Manipur was held today at Classic Hotel. The workshop was organized by Editors Guild Manipur under the sponsorship of Department of Higher Education. The workshop aims at sensitizing and strengthening the editors in imparting their duties. Members of Editors Guild Manipur and officials of Higher Education Department attended the workshop. Several resource persons presented papers on Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan RUSA and the state of higher education in Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner of Higher and Technical Education Vinit Joshi stated that RUSA aims to ensure access, equity and quality in higher education. Addressing the gathering, Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar stated that higher education system in the state is facing loads of challenges like lack of infrastructure and teachers. RUSA was launched in 2013 to improve the higher education system in the country after SSA and RAMSA was successfully implemented. He further said the state government is in the process to implement RUSA in the state and is waiting for Governor's assent to formation of Higher Education Council.
Education yaudana akoi karigumba leibak amada akoi awon ba porakpang amoy chawkhot pa porakpang amoy haibase government gi site jo koi yam kan honajari higher education ga mari leina bada koi Manipur Technical University akoi launch tawgre akoi temporary campus ta adige tungan ba masigi higher education ga akoi career profession ga mari leina bada Jawaharlal Nehru Institute mayam ne hena khangbi rutini IIIT masi government gi su akoi tawba ba koi tawjari masida akoi masigi mathakta mayam dagi su koi cooperation pibi rakanda masi akoi kharaga hena tawriba sidigi yam chauna awonba porakani na khalle.
Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization Manipur today held a 9th state-level Ladies' Day or celebration on the theme Women, the Pillar of Value-Based Society at Lamyan Bashanglan Palace Compound. In her address at the celebration, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah stressed the significance of the role played by women in Manipur. She said the Manipuri women are actively promoting social causes. The governor also said history has been unkind to women, religions and traditions have been manipulated to subvert the society by excluding women. She stressed the need to remove age-old gender biases in educational, health, social, legal, economic sectors to build a healthy society. Dr. Heptullah asserted that there is nothing women cannot achieve.
Women of India, the ethos is that they not only are good daughters, but they are very good mothers. And through a mother, we convey the values of our country. Everybody says America is a very advanced country, a very rich country, people are very educated, but they could not elect a woman president. In our Indian ethos, we respect women, we respect mother.
President of Manipur People's Party MPP N. Shobha Kiran has stated that the party will field candidates in most of the constituencies in the upcoming 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly elections. Speaking to media persons in connection with the month-long celebration of the Foundation Day of the party on the theme Save Manipur, to be held from November 24th to December 26th at the MPP office, Shobha Kiran downplayed the Modi wave and Congress wave in the state. He appealed to the people to elect an MPP government in the 2017 elections to bring peace and integrity in the state. Commenting on the indefinite economic blockade, he said UNC could impose a blockade as the government is weak. He questioned why the government was not able to send a representative to Delhi for talks on UNC's economic blockade. He also questioned as to why the UNC needs to go to Delhi for talks when Manipur still has a government. Shobha Kiran said UNC should call off the blockade at the earliest. Various programs including rallies will be held in all 9 districts of Manipur, including the month-long Foundation Day celebration.
Nagaland economic blockade tawba tarabadi center na makoi kawaya wari sananba gidangta aduga Manipur gi hauji democratically khanba sarkar ama leina sarkar ji huntu amaga Delhi da makoina moigi tripartite talk torubagi maram karino aduga Manipur sarkar gi mihut thada bagi na maram na karino makoi si power tanaribra UNC na tawba ngabana sini Manipur khona tawba ngabana sini haiba gumpa power tanaribra.
Time for a short commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Keep watching Impact News.
Shanghai Festival 2016 ga mari lainana Manipur ki Tourism Department amadi ICCR gi tengmang makhada Anti Theatre Manipur na sinjalang jeduna Asian Theatre Festival 2016 Asia gi masak nairaba theatre group kya ga loinana Airport Road ta leiba Anti Theatre Manipur gi hongnem sangda pangthok chargan.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Education Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar said the state government is considering absorption of 60% of aided college teachers. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Dr. Ratan Kumar said due to financial constraint facing the state, the government could not absorb 60% of the teachers. It may be mentioned that aided college teachers had warned the government that they would boycott college examinations if the government failed to implement its order issued on May 11th to absorb 60% of teachers of the aided colleges by November 5th. 512 teachers are now working at 6 aided colleges.
Akoi Jiri College si masi conversion tawgrabanina makoi gisu akoi tawbiu haibani moi ariba college sing ni ana haibado masi akoi cabinet so dum khanaba lei adu gisi akoi hojik financial conditions yam phattaba akoi government na tawning da badina te adu financial conditions yam phattabani na madoi wai du da akoi kitang akoi na keno tawbangam da bahai tara implement tawbangam da ba ada moina harisi madu mak natragasu conversion mag natragasu 60% si PO ana haibani madoi adu da kitang akoi keno tawba ma akoi tanaba masangi madu yam kana akoi exercise story.
The 30th Manipur University Inter-College Youth Festival 2016 kicked off today on the university campus. This year, the festival is celebrated on a theme, Youth, Life and Emotional Integration. Students from 19 colleges are participating in the festival, which will be held till November 21st. Students in traditional costumes took out a march past till the Centenary Hall and saluted MU Vice-Chancellor Professor Adhya Prasad Pandey. The inaugural function was held at the Centenary Hall after VC Pandey hoisted a university flag. In a speech at the inaugural event, Professor Adhya Prasad Pandey emphasized the role of youth in preserving their culture. He expressed the hope that the festival would provide a platform to the students to discuss and work towards a better society.
These students, they are representing their culture, the rich culture of Manipur, and actually such type of message will go to the students, to the youth. Only they can retain the culture of their state, and also for the overall in development of the personality of the students and youth. Youth are the very important aspect of this of any country. So only youth can play a very important role for the overall development of the country and the state as well. So these youths are doing a lot.
Prize distribution ceremony of Healthy Baby Show Competition 2016 was held today at the Directorate of Health Services, Imphal. The competition was organized by Mission Director and State Health Society, National Health Mission, Manipur. The competition aims at promoting breastfeeding, diarrhea-free society, lower infant mortality rate, etc. Altogether, 81 children from 9 districts participated in the competition held in 3 categories. In category A, Saugaijam Chittaranjan, son of Chetan Singh of Thoubal district, was a winner. Under category B, Shitaljit Thaudam, son of TH Ajit of Imphal West, was a winner, while Palungvar Vaibto Singhul, son of Nelso of Chandel district, was a winner under C category. Speaking at the occasion, Health and Family Welfare Minister Di Korung Thang said, a mother needs to be healthy in order to produce healthy babies for a healthy society.
Pok tringede hodna koina orakadaba mi asi care tawgadabane mama na mirol ngede ge hoduna sakoi doctor sina hai kre chumnagi angang du khakta care tawbana tana mama oiriba singsisu care lo batai hakchang phabatai mama hakchang phataduna afaba angang pok phahona de aduna mama so Apaba angang putok pai basi apaba mama darkar tai.
Bharatiya Janata Party Kishan Morcha Senapati district today organized one-day political awareness program at the district headquarters. Vice President of BJP State Unit Kishan Morcha Ningthaujam Itomba said the party is not weak in the hill constituencies and there is no need to be frightened. He said, since the party is gaining momentum not only in hills but also in valley, it will definitely form the government in the upcoming assembly elections. He also added that in the 15-year rule of the Congress government, Manipur has not moved in the direction of development. Itomba also appealed to the people to take full advantage of the schemes launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for farmers and the poor. He also said farmers of Senapati district will be provided with winter seeds at the earliest.
Congress na lising sapina sama sapina vote ay di hiram betul masih Narendra Modi ki black money sih dah problem tu yang berkau. Kau lain betul so kau candidate kau bayar bagi kau rumah panggil nasi. National Food Security Act maka dah kau jengki dia mula bawang mula ibu panggil kerosin di dalam dalam lupa ni dalam ibu panggil. Mudra loan dah kau lain betul sing zero balance kau loan loan yang bik kau dong boleh. Loan sing dah kau kisan credit card maka dah kau loan bayar. Ibu loan sih aku share kalau ni aku crop insurance jauh lah aku repayment kau loan yang bik kau dong boleh. Bayar mereka kau je.
All Manipur Elementary School Teachers Association Amesta announced that they will launch agitation against the cancellation of requisite scale. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, General Secretary of Amesta, C.H. Shantakumar said, it is unfortunate that the requisite scale has been cancelled by the cabinet in contrast to the order of High Court of Manipur of August 16. He said the decision to resort to agitation was taken since authorities concerned have not paid heed to the request. Shantakumar said teachers have not been paid salaries for 2 months and drew the attention of the authorities to the problem facing the teachers.
Oja lising ani humbu tolo phangandaba asigumba yamna tawbido thabuk asina sarkar asigi kari ujabo lege doribana masigi mari lenana koi yam democratic oiba koi khongjang kaya changsin gre ngasi bawda government gi maike de gi response am ta leitri masidagi de koi relay hunger strike su chathagani non cooperation movement government sig mathakta zone district ta lerba jedu office director office se koi thingjalagani masi bawda tabirakta ba taragadi makha ta ba khongjang da koi manipur pombagi ban ekoi lauthokani sidriya phangbo chara henbagi khongjang matam madumukta punna tominagani.
All Loktak Lake Area Fishermen's Union Manipur in a press release stated that it has no affiliation to any political party in Manipur. As a part of the security measures taken in view of the Sangai Festival, a team of Imphal East Police led by DSP OPS RK Shaklemba and OC Commando East B Longthang Wi-Fi conducted combing operation at New Chekon, Nongpok, Inkhol this morning. 320 people, including women, were verified during the operation. In view of the upcoming Sangai Festival 2016, there will be a traffic regulation in Imphal to avoid traffic congestion and ensure smooth traffic movement. Addressing media persons, additional SP Traffic Lalboy Haukip said Sanjentong Bridge can be passed only from Imphal West towards Imphal East, while all public transport will be allowed to pass Minuthong Bridge but no heavy vehicles. There will be traffic diversion for heavy vehicles at Singchumai, Thangmaiban, Kwakatel, Porompad, and no heavy vehicles will be allowed to enter Imphal city during the festival. For the first time, 50 public traffic assistants will be used during Sangai Festival for smooth flow of traffic.
Sizinnabu yabasida lamlong ne khoi old thumbu thong ne new thumbu thong ne Singsamay bridge ne asida dibdi to and fro dum chat entry exit adum yani andro parking duga wangkhei KTL asangbi NSK club wangkhei road wangkhei girls higher school archaeology plot wangkhei road ta archaeology plot ningthem pukri mapal Ramji Prabhu school ningthem pukri mapal asi jaga sinna public parking oina sizinnabu yani.
Post-mortem was conducted on the body of the suspected cadre of Thathau People's Liberation Army TPLA Thangjond Singsho of Kaithal Manbi, who was killed in an encounter with 38 Assam Rifles yesterday. Family members, however, denied the claim of the Assam Rifles that he was killed in an encounter. They alleged that Assam Rifles shot him after they caught him. One of relatives of the deceased, Lelil Singsho, said Thangjon left home 2 weeks ago and the family was not sure whether he had joined the outfit. Condemning the incident, Thada Women Association President Vachin Haukev appealed to the authorities to look into the incidents to prevent their reoccurrence.
We couldn't believe and we couldn't confirm and we wouldn't allow that it was an encounter kill. AR incident they given us to the women union, we are unsatisfied that the UZ were not killed by encounter. It is our proposed plan in future to meet the AR and settle regarding the incidents or the injured being killed between the 38 AR and the TPLA militants.
An identified miscreant set on fire the PWD office at Ziribam last evening. The incident took place around 6:45 p.m. However, the fire tender managed to control the fire on time before it caused much damage to the office building, even though it destroyed some office records. It was not yet known who set the fire to the building. 3 army jawans were killed and 4 others injured in an ambush in Tinsukia district of Assam today. Additional DGP of Assam said the incident occurred early this morning at Penigui in Tinsukia district. He said Band Alpha and ASEAN as well as other terrorist groups have jointly carried out attack. The terrorists attacked a patrolling party by triggering IED blast. Army personnel engaged in retaliatory firing. Tinsukia SP has led a massive combing operation following the attack. The injured army personnel are undergoing treatment at hospital. Now some sports news. Anoba Imagi Mangal all sailed into the semi-finals of the 11th Manipur State League 2016. AIM beat FC Zalin 2-0 in the double elimination round loose bracket at Kuman Lampak Men's Stadium today. Y Chinkai and O Romtan of AIM scored in the 19th and 59th minute of the match to seal victory against FC Zalin. AIM Kabam and Naku Nambul Mapal will clash in the semi-final on November 23rd. Imphal East District Football Association have won the 20th Sub-Junior Inter-District Football Tournament. DFA Taubal were the runners-up. In the league match played today, Imphal East District Football Association trounced DSA Kakching 7-0. In the final league, DFA Taubal and DSA Bishnupur were drawn 1-1. In the 38th Sub-Junior, Junior, Senior Artistic and Aerobic State Level Gymnastic Championship concluded today at Kuman Lampak Indoor Stadium. Mohammad Irshad Ali of HYO bagged the first position in Under-14 Boys Floor Exercise, while KH Arjun of Rising Club Bishnupur won the first position in Under-14 Boys Vaulting Table. In the Under-17 Boys Vaulting Table, and Roman Ring as Ruband of HYO won the first place. The championship kicked off yesterday. Nambol Kendra Kankud stormed into the semi-final of the Hunger Marchers Kendra-wise above 50 and 60 years League Cum Knockout Count Tournament at Ibuthaw Moirang Pokpas Changlen Kangshan Kakwa. Nambol Kendra Kankud beats Kay Shamthong Kendra Kankud at 12-7 in the third quarter-final match today. Kundrakpam Kendra Kankud will clash with Wangoi Kendra Kankud in the fourth quarter-final match tomorrow. The tournament is organized by Old Manipur Kang Association. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Governor Najma Heptullah says doctors should change their attitude and willingly served in rural and hill areas. Greg Khangam condemns UNC's indefinite economic blockade as an inhuman act. An MPP to field candidates in several constituencies in the upcoming assembly polls.